Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to sign in with your PlayStation 4 account on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So if you're trying to get your PlayStation 4 account or another account onto your PlayStation 5, it's very easy to do it. Now, if you are signed in, make sure you switch users or log out. So let's go to Timbo Slice at the bottom of the quick menu right here, and then go to log out, and then we will see all the different users on our PlayStation. So let's press the PlayStation button, and here are all my different accounts. Next, let's go over to the left, go to add users. Now, we don't want to play as a one-time guest, which would be the right options. We want to go to get started. Add a user to the PlayStation 5. Now go to agree and go to confirm. Now we can type in an email address or password associated with our PlayStation 4 account and then sign in. Otherwise, we can do this QR code on the right. And if you are signing in with the PlayStation app, you'll be able to sign in automatically on your PlayStation 5 real easy. So let's bring up my phone right now. All right, so here's my phone, and this is the PlayStation app. Is very convenient. You can just sign in with your email address and password on here. But I have this linked to my PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5. You can get this under the Play Store. Just go to the top and type in PlayStation app. Let's do that. PlayStation app right here. And then just install this and open it up, and you should be good to go. Now, you want to open up your camera on your phone. So let's go to camera. And then here's the QR code. Let's get close here, and this web page should pop up. This should pop up the app as well. And if you're signed in, your PlayStation 5 will go ahead and sign in with your account now. Otherwise, go to sign in with your email address and password. So let's do that here. All right, so I have two-step verification on, so it's going to send me a text to my phone. Let's type this in now. And once you go ahead and do that, your account will now be back on your PlayStation, and then you'll be able to sign in and set everything up. So it's very easy to transfer over your account. Pretty much just need your email and password, and you're good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.